what should we look at tonight?
Well, there's Spica. How about we explore Virgo tonight?
There's a lot to find in Virgo. There are over 1,300 galaxies.
And I suppose you're going to find all 1,300?
Of course. I'm that good.
Really? Prove it. Find all 1,300. I'll give you an hour. Go ahead.
Well, see, I was supposed to have access to the Hubble telescope tonight, but there was some mix-up with emails, so I have to use our regular scope. I'll have to do it another night. Sorry.
I can find them all in a second.
Oh, this I gotta see.
Just look at Virgo. There they all are. You may not be able to make them out, but you are looking at them nonetheless. I never said to find them in the telescope.
1,300 galaxies, each with billions of stars in them. So many choices which one I should pick you up and launch you into.
Virgo has 11 Messier objects in it. How about if we try and find all 11 in the scope?
You're on!
We will take turns. One of us will tell the other what to find, and then we will alternate.
I'm first.
Okay, find M90. I'll give you a hint. It's in Virgo.
So many choices. Which one should I pick?
May is a great month to explore Virgo. It is on the ecliptic and easy to find. You can see it from about 80 degrees north to 80 degrees south. So pretty much anywhere you are on the planet, unless you're at the North or South Pole, you can find Virgo. To find Virgo, just find Spica. When you look up at the sky towards the ecliptic, you will see a very bright star, Spica. Spica is about 30 degrees southwest of Arcturus, another very bright star. Find Spica, and you found Virgo. From there, find the Messier objects and some other visible galaxies.
Virgo is one of the constellations of the zodiac. It means young maiden in Latin. The ancient Greeks said it was Dike, the daughter of Zeus. Dike was the goddess of justice. She ruled over the human justice on earth during the time that was called the Golden Age. During the Golden Age, everything was peaceful on earth. There were no wars. It was always spring, and humans were happy and prosperous and never grew old. But then things started to go bad. The humans started to no longer honor the gods. War broke out. Decay tried to get the humans to return back to the Golden Age, but they would not listen. Finally, Decay had enough of the humans, so disappointed with them that she left Earth, flew up in the sky, and lives today as Virgo. The Greeks also sometimes called Decay by the name Astrea. The Babylonians also had stories about the constellation. They said it was Ishtar, queen of the stars. She was in love with the god of harvest, Tammuz. One day, Tammuz was killed. Ishtar traveled to the underworld to get Tammuz. It was agreed that Tammuz could leave the underworld for half the year. So every spring when Virgo appears in the night sky, Tammuz turns. Do-do-do. The days get warm and the crops grow. But in fall, Tammuz returns to the underworld, and Ishtar goes after him, disappearing from the night sky, causing days to grow cold and the crops and plants to wither and die. In addition to the story of Decay, the Greeks actually had another story about Virgo, one that's similar to the Babylonian story, and one of my personal favorites. Persephone was the daughter of Zeus and Demeter. Demeter was the goddess of agriculture. One day, Hades, the lord of the underworld, kidnapped Persephone and took her to the underworld. Dun, dun, dun. Demeter was very upset and let the crops on earth wither and die. Zeus would not stand for this, made a deal with Hades that Persephone could leave the underworld from March to August to live in the sky as Virgo. During this time, Demeter was happy, and she lets the crops grow. But when Persephone leaves the sky, returns to the underworld. Demeter is sad again and lets the crops wither.
As we noted, the big bright star in Virgo is Spica. Spica has a magnitude of 1.04. It is a blue giant, 260 light-years away. It is actually a double star. The primary star is over 12,000 times brighter than our Sun. Virgo contains 11 Messier objects. Also, 20 of Virgo's stars are known to have planets orbiting around them. Virgo is known for the Virgo cluster, a cluster of some 1,300 galaxies. M49 is the brightest galaxy in the Virgo cluster. It has a magnitude of 8.5. It is an elliptical galaxy, about 56 million light-years away. M59 is a barred spiral galaxy, and one of the largest galaxies in the region. M59 is an elliptical galaxy of magnitude of around 10. It is one of the larger galaxies in the region, but is not that luminous, thus harder to make out. M60 is also an elliptical galaxy. You should easily find it in a small scope. Then look close and you will make out another galaxy next to it, NGC 4647. M61 is a spiral galaxy of magnitude 10. We see the galaxy face on. 6 supernovae have been observed in M61. M84 and M86 are elliptical galaxies and can be seen in the scope together with a low-power eyepiece. M87 is easy to see, even in a small scope. It is one of the most massive in our local universe. At its center lays a supermassive black hole, and M87 emits one of the brightest radio signals known. M89 is an elliptical galaxy, but is actually circular in shape. M90 is a spiral galaxy. It has bright spiral arms and a thick inner disk region. That brings us to M104. Easily seen in a backyard scope, this magnificent galaxy is known as the Sombrero Galaxy. One of the most famous Hubble Space Telescope photos is of M104. It is one of the finest objects in the night sky. It is of a magnitude of around 9 and is 29.3 million light-years away. You can find it 11.5 degrees west of Spica. Still want more in Virgo? There are another 23 galaxies with magnitudes less than 10. Also, in the constellation Coma Berenices, just north of Virgo, you will find even more galaxies. So whether you are in the northern hemisphere or in the southern hemisphere, you can find and explore Virgo and its plethora of galaxies. Happy galaxy hunting!
Now let's find where the planets are this month.
Mercury will be visible the first part of the month right after sunset, but by the end of the month will no longer be visible.
Venus will be visible in the evening sky moving through Gemini.
Mars will be visible just after sunset the first part of the month, but by the end of the month it will no longer be visible.
Jupiter is in Cancer and visible most of the night.
Saturn is in Scorpio and visible all night long.
Uranus is in Pisces and visible just before sunrise.
Neptune is in Aquarius and visible before sunrise.
Full moon on May 4th and new moon on May 18th.
Okay, so now each of us has found 5 Messier objects in Virgo. Only one more to go, and that's the Sombrero Galaxy.
And it's my turn.
Whoa, wait, that's not fair. There are an odd number of objects. You can't have more than me.
Sorry, Charlie. My turn.
No, wait. We'll flip for it.
Got any money?
No.
Thought not. My turn. Too bad. So sad. Ha.
Drats. Well, Virgo is a great place to explore with your scope, and it doesn't matter where you live, you can find it. Until next time, happy stargazing. Wait! Rock, paper, scissors!
Too late.
Check out our other episodes in the Let's Explore Astronomy series at www.tedcookproductions.com/LEA.
You will find all kinds of cool astronomy topics there.